I didn't know what to wear today, so this is what I came up with. Yeah. Well, I hope everyone's doing super dandy today, because for today's video, we're gonna be making a crochet hat, or crochet bucket hat. We're making a crochet bucket hat today. And not just any crochet bucket hat, a really, really fun one. So I do have a ton of yarn here, a ton of cotton yarn. And then I also have some mohair. And those are the two I want to combine for this beautiful, amazing, striped, Pinterest-worthy bucket hat. And if you're wondering, Jenna, have you ever made a bucket hat before in the crochet sense? Yes, I just didn't finish it. Okay, let's start. Honestly, I did not sketch this. I don't have like a great idea for color palette for this amazing bucket hat we're gonna make. I'm just gonna wing it. But the yarn I'm using is this one in lots of different colors. This one right here. And again, maybe a lot of different colors. And then for my hook, I have a 4.5mm hook. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Birch Living. So Birch actually makes these amazing mattresses that are comfortable, stylish, and more importantly, they're eco-conscious. So all their products are made in the United States, which are crafted with natural and organic materials that are sourced sustainably. If you guys are a hot sleeper, meaning you get hot at night, these organic materials are so important because they help regulate your temperature so you don't get too hot. Birch is also committed to being better for the planet. So when they're creating your mattress, Birch sources ethical materials and works to protect working conditions in their factories. So I ordered the Birch Luxe mattress. It's on my bed right now. And it's like an upgrade from their natural birch mattress. So we have had this mattress for a week now, Benson, right? And we have slept great, haven't we? I cannot get Benson out of bed in the morning. All of Birch's mattresses come with a 100-night trial, and they also have a 25-year warranty. And my absolute favorite part about this mattress is that it shows up right to your front door, and if you're in the US, you can get free shipping. And every single mattress comes with 2 pillows, which are made from recycled plastic bottles. So if you guys are looking for a new mattress, check out Birch. Use my link down below in the description, or go to birchliving.com/JennaP, and you guys will get $400 off your first mattress and 2 free eco pillows. So step 1, I got my yarn here, and we need to do a magic loop, which I conveniently always forget how to do. Bam bam turkey chicken. Now step 2, I'm gonna follow a tutorial. So I'll link that down below, and that's gonna be my base for the hat, and I'm just gonna change up yarns and just kind of go at it that way. Okay, moment of truth. Did I do the magic loop right? If I do it right, or did it right, this hole right here can just be tightened. Oh, I did it right! By pulling the string. Look at that cutie. So I'm gonna do one more loop in this green color just because there's not much green there, so I'm gonna do another loop. I just repeated myself, I'm sorry. So I'm thinking I wanna do another cotton color before I go in with my mohair, because I don't wanna do a ton of mohair. Like I want it to be mostly cotton and then just some random mohair here and there. Also, every round, I'm just marking that stitch so I know where I changed the color. That is very important, especially, well, I think it's important no matter what if you're making this, but especially if you're doing stripes like me. So pretty much we're just making a coaster to start off with. Like it's gonna be flat. We're making like the circle top portion of your head. This looks so rad. I love the mohair and the cotton. The only downfall is you can like not see the stitches whatsoever. So beginners, run away from mohair. So I think I'm gonna start switching up my pattern a little bit. I was doing 1 color per row, but I just feel like I need a little bit more of certain colors. So I'm gonna start doing 2 or 3 rows, you know, whatever floats my boat, because Bob's your uncle. Not every, one, just sporadically. I'm just making up as I go. Thank you.
Too much?
You burnt it. Did anybody else grow up calling grilled cheese grilled cheese? We might have a little bit of a setback, but I'm not really sure. Not sure yet. It's looking okay, my piece. The only thing is it's starting to wave. You can see the waves there. And I don't know if that's gonna be a big deal for my hat until I kind of work on it more. Like I can just restart and not use the brown here. Or I could just like ignore it, put it in the back of my head and keep going and just hope it looks fine when I put it on. That side? You can actually stay inside. I am done the top of my hat. Ta-da. Sun's really bright. Good news, good news. My hair good? So, good news. My top portion of the hat did not ripple anymore, so it was the brown, this yarn here, that was too thick. So, I might use it again for the side because I kind of like this color palette going on, so I think I might just repeat this, keep going for the rest of the hat. And I think she fits. Not really sure. I don't know how you really measure the top of your head because obviously it's not a perfect circle, but I don't know. I feel like that's, you know, good size. So typically I don't sit in silence when I'm knitting or crocheting. Usually I have my audiobooks going, but the book I was listening to, the 5th Harry Potter book, it got returned automatically back to the library. So now I gotta wait 4 more weeks to get it back. I know crochet is faster than knitting, but for some reason I thought I could crank this out in a few hours, and it's been over 2 hours and this is all I have. This is what we're working with right now. This is how much I have done. I know it's not that much progress. I was getting a little distracted because I put something on the TV watching it, but the fit. Let's talk about the fit. I don't know if it's supposed to fit like this at the beginning because it's such an early stage of the hat. Don't know. Is it supposed to be this big? Is it supposed to be tighter? Couldn't tell you because I don't remember what it fit like the last time I made a bucket hat. So, dancing. You're dragging everything everywhere. Hey. Here, you got your yarn. Yeah, you're good. I figured out why it's too big for my head. There's too many stitches on here because I didn't count it. I was too lazy to count my stitches, and I guess this is what I get. I definitely have a love-hate relationship with mohair because it's beautiful when you do it, it looks nice, but if you mess up, there's no going back. You gotta cut it out. Just look at that. All gone. Come on in. So, yesterday I ended up redoing this part a few times where you guys saw me take it apart, but then I did redo it and then take it apart one more time because I used orange and black for some reason together, and then it just started to look like more Halloween, this hat, so I redid it again. So I just counted my rows here, and I do need to do 2 more rows before I can start the brim. I'm actually following the pattern now and making sure I have the correct amount of stitches because I think I'm starting to learn my lesson that I should actually just follow patterns and count stitches and count rows rather than just trying to wing it and then realizing later it's too big or too small and then taking it apart and redoing it. I think I'm just gonna follow it, and I think I'll save time that way. Okay, I'm done. Side of the hat, top of the hat. So now I just started working on the brim. You know, like the flap of the hat. Well, here she is. She's not done yet, but you know, we got like half the brim done. And I'm thinking I'm gonna keep going because it says only to do like 2 more rows on the brim, but I want, you know, more coverage. I want it to really be useful. Like I want it to be useful and actually cover my eyes, and I can wear it in the summertime. So I'm gonna keep going on the brim until I like the length. And also I figured out halfway through my hat that if you use two strands of mohair, it becomes really chunky instead of one. So I think I'm getting closer to the brim now, and I decided I'm going to end off with this green mohair here just because I really like the look. The mohair on the edge here, like that. That looks really good. So I think I'm gonna end off with like 3 maybe rows of this green, just to get a little bit of a nice, I don't know what to call it, the outline of the brim maybe? You guys know what I mean. But I want a nice thick green band on the end of my brim, and then she'll be done the brim. And then we have to deal with this. It honestly looks like my hair in the morning. Did you see that? All of the ends are tucked in. Look how beautiful that is. She is officially done, but I'm wearing an outfit that does not match this right now, so I'm gonna go change into something that matches this and then show you the final reel of what, you know, she looks on me. Okay, cool. Well, it took me about 45 minutes to come up with a very below average outfit to match this bucket hat. Here it is. Here's my look. Here's the bucket hat. Ta-da! I probably could have just tried it on with my other outfit and no one would have cared, but I thought maybe today I'd put like just a little bit more extra into my video and try to do an outfit with the thing I made. Don't know if I succeeded because this outfit is, it's actually not bad. It's kind of cute. It's good. But here is the hat. I love it. It has like a nice long brim, so it definitely will cover some sun, because some bucket hats, especially the crochet ones, they're like itty bitty brims and it doesn't really do much other than just make your head warmer in the summer, and I want some protection, so definitely think this one will block out some sun and also look, you know, cute at the same time. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed making this crochet bucket hat. I will have the link down below for the blog I used to make this. You guys should go check it out. Make one if you guys want to. Alter it a little bit like I did. Make something crazy. Make something plain. Make something basic. Whatever you want. Just make a bucket hat. Okay, I'm gonna go because my stomach is starving. It's like growling, it's so hungry right now. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!